How to convert or change crypto on Revolt. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to change your crypto on Revolt, these are the methods you can follow up. So for that, you can open up the Revolt app onto your device and log in. Once you are logged in, you will be finding this interface. So from the given interface, you need to go ahead and look out for this option, which is crypto right here under. Tap on it and this opens up. So from this section, you can go ahead and select up the crypto that you may wanna convert or change. For example, USDT, tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be finding this. So from here, go ahead and select this option, buy +1, this one right here, tap on it, and you will be finding this. So from here, if you want to change your USDT to different Bitcoin or different options, you can tap on this drop down option and select it. Once that is done, I just need to go ahead and enter up the amount. And once you enter up the amount, you should be finding the balance being converted or changed. After that, tap on review and that is it. So that is it for now. That is how you convert or change your crypto on Revolt. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.